In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finsweet Extension for Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official listing, review what it does and what it needs access to, and complete the installation and authorization inside your Webflow account. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type, "How to use Finsweet Extension for Webflow." This phrasing helps surface the official app listing and related resources. On the results page, look for the highlighted result that points to the Webflow apps and integrations listing for the Finsweet extension. Click that highlighted result to go directly to the official page. On the Webflow apps and integrations results, select the listing that reads Finsweet Extension, Webflow apps and integrations. This takes you into the Webflow App Store page dedicated to the extension. Once you're on the Finsweet extension page, click into the extension to open its full details. You'll see tabs that outline what the tool offers, how it integrates with your projects, and how to install it. Begin on the Description tab. Take a moment to read through the overview so you understand what the extension adds to your Webflow workflow, any supported features, and any guidance the publisher provides. This is a great way to confirm you're on the correct, trusted listing. Next, switch over to the Permissions tab. Here you can verify exactly what the extension will be able to access in your Webflow account. Reviewing permissions is an important best practice. Confirm the requested access matches the features described and aligns with your workspace policies. When you're comfortable with the details, click Install App. If you aren't already signed in to Webflow, you may be prompted to sign in. Make sure you're using the account and workspace that should manage this app. You'll be redirected to an authorization screen labeled Authorized Finsweet Extension. Take a quick look at the summary of requested access to make sure everything still looks right. Next, choose where the extension is allowed to operate. Select the specific sites or workspaces you want to authorize. If you only want it active on certain projects, limit the selection accordingly for tighter control. Finally, click Authorize App to complete the process. After a moment, you should see confirmation and be redirected. From here, the extension is installed and authorized, and you can begin using its features within your selected Webflow sites or workspace. If anything doesn't look as